Ladies and gentlemen, dear friends, today we begin a new series on the beautiful Bonsai channel. This is not a series about techniques. We will not rush into wiring, pruning, or shaping. This is a series about thinking, about how we look at a bonsai tree before we decide to change it. One, every profession begins with learning. In any profession, to last, one must learn. Doctors study medicine, architects study structure, musicians train their ears long before they play on stage. Some people learn in formal schools. Others learn through life itself, through mistakes, through experience, through time. Different paths, but the same foundation. There is no profession that can be practiced well without learning. Bonsai is no exception. Two, bonsai has no official school, but it has education. Even today, bonsai has no official academic system. There is no bonsai university, no widely recognized degree. But bonsai has never existed without teaching. It is taught quietly, patiently, through observation, through correction, through hands guiding hands, in families, in traditional gardens, in craft villages, from one generation to the next. This is not a weakness. It is a form of education rooted in time. And because of this, bonsai asks the learner to be humble and slow. Three, when beginners act too soon. Many people come to bonsai with great enthusiasm. They buy a tree, they buy tools, they buy wire, and they begin immediately. Not because they are careless, but because they do not yet know what they do not know. The cost of this haste is often invisible at first. Not only money, but time, years of growth lost, trees weakened beyond recovery, interest turning slowly into disappointment. Bonsai appears gentle, but it teaches through strict lessons. Four, thinking must come before doing. Before shaping, there must be understanding. Before touching a branch, one must learn to see. And before seeing clearly, one must learn to wait. Bonsai is not only the work of the hands, it is the training of the eyes. Eyes that recognize balance, movement, empty space, and most importantly, eyes that recognize what should not be done yet. Without this awareness, technique becomes harmful. Five, doing is not the same as knowing. Anyone can cut a branch, anyone can bend a wire, but understanding comes from knowing why. Why this branch stays, why another must go. In bonsai, doing too much is often more dangerous than doing nothing. Ignorance combined with enthusiasm leads to destruction. In real life, many trees are damaged not by bad intentions, but by poor understanding. Each stage of growth requires different care. Pruning heavily in extreme heat, repotting during tender leaf growth, carving without knowledge, overfeeding with strong fertilizers. These mistakes often end a bonsai's life quietly. The root cause is simple, a refusal to learn deeply. Young people may be fast, but impatient. Older practitioners may be experienced, but resistant to new understanding. Both must continue learning. Look around you. Many beautiful trees are beautiful not because they were constantly changed, but because someone knew when to stop. Six, bonsai thinking is not a shortcut. Bonsai thinking does not make the process faster. It makes it deeper. It teaches patience. observation, respect for time, and acceptance that some lessons cannot be rushed. Seven, a quiet beginning. This series is not here to judge. It is simply an invitation to pause, to look at your bonsai a little longer, and to ask not what can I do, but what does this tree need right now? Because in bonsai, the most important work often happens before the hands move. Closing. In the next episode, we will speak about something many people avoid. When should you not touch a bonsai tree? For now, take more time to observe. Thank you for listening. This is Beautiful Bonsai Channel.